Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Nissan Rogue. First, let's start with some basic checks. Begin by inspecting your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, listen for your AC compressor clutch engaging when you turn on the system. If it's not engaging, that's a key indicator. Finally, ensure your refrigerant levels are adequate, as low refrigerant is a common cause of poor cooling. These initial steps can often resolve minor issues quickly. Moving on, let's dive into diagnosing more specific problems. Carefully inspect all AC lines and connections for any signs of refrigerant leaks, which often appear as oily residue. Then, test your blower motor by cycling through all fan speeds to ensure it's working correctly. A faulty blower means no air movement. For a more in-depth check, use an AC pressure gauge set to measure both high and low side pressures, comparing them to your vehicle's specifications. This helps pinpoint system imbalances. Now, let's explore some deeper troubleshooting steps. First, visually inspect your condenser, located in front of the radiator, for any obstructions like leaves or bent fins that could impede heat exchange. Next, listen for or feel the blend door actuator operating when you change temperature settings. A stuck door can prevent cold air. Finally, meticulously check all electrical connections and fuses associated with your AC system. A simple blown fuse or loose wire can often be the culprit for a non-functioning unit. Sometimes, AC issues require a professional touch. If you've checked everything and still have problems, especially with refrigerant recovery or compressor replacement, it's best to consult a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance, like annual system checks and cabin filter replacements, can significantly extend your AC's lifespan and prevent costly repairs. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.